In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation with Zoho books. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger accounting team, reconciling your bank accounts is a crucial task that ensures your financial records are accurate and up to date. Let's dive into the steps to seamlessly complete your bank reconciliation using Zoho books. First, begin by navigating to your dashboard in Zoho books. Your dashboard will provide a snapshot of your financial data and is the perfect starting point for this process. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on Banking. This section allows you to access all your bank transactions and accounts linked to Zoho books. Next, you'll see a list of your active bank accounts. Choose the account you wish to reconcile. Selecting the correct account is important because we want to ensure that everything matches up correctly with your bank's records. Once your account is selected, head over to the gear icon for settings and give it a click. This will reveal some additional options that will help you manage your account settings more effectively. Following this, click on Reconcile Account. This is where the real action begins. Reconciling will compare the transactions in Zoho books with those in your bank statement, ensuring that everything is aligned. Then click on Reconcile Now to proceed to the next step. This action brings up the reconciliation screen, which is vital for the entire process. Now, take a look at your bank statement and type in the closing balance into Zoho books. Entering the correct closing balance is key as it serves as the benchmark against which all your reconciled transactions will be measured. After inputting the closing balance, click on Start Reconciliation. This is the point where you will verify each transaction to make sure it matches your bank statement. Then, choose a transaction that you want to reconcile and click the checkbox next to it. This step helps you confirm which transactions are correct and aligned with what your bank reports. Once you've carefully checked your selections, click on Reconcile for that transaction. And just like that, you've completed a simple yet effective bank reconciliation using Zoho books. Make sure you repeat the transaction selection and reconciliation process for all items in the statement until everything lines up perfectly between Zoho books and your bank statement. This practice will help maintain accurate financial records and give you peace of mind. By following these steps attentively, you'll find that bank reconciliation in Zoho books is not only straightforward but also an essential part of managing your business finances efficiently. Keep your accounts consistent and up to date by regularly performing these reconciliations. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your finances with precision.